Jericho Cotchery. Javier Arenas, New Generation for the Chiefs, numbered to $9.99. Let's see, Muhammad Massaquoi, Anthony Fasano, and Lee Evans. Steven Jackson, Brent Selleck, and that's our hit. Let's save that one. Michael Turner, Brian Hartline, Jonathan Stewart. And let's take a look. Wow, another one. Immortals, Ricky Jackson for the Saints, numbered to $250. One of the great linebackers back in the 90s for the Saints. Nice patch there. All right. Okay, Vincent Jackson. Another hit there. Devon Bess, Sidney Rice, Carson Palmer, Santana Moss, and here's the hit. Wow. Beautiful. Wayne Corbett for the Jets. Wow, really nice. That's numbered to 10. Number 6 out of 10. Very nice card there. Great hit for the Jets. Wayne Corbett, fabric of the game. Really nice low-numbered cards in these two. Braylon Edwards, certified potential for Golden Tate. And Dwayne Bowe, Josh Cribbs, and Drew Brees. Let's cut that off. Alright, Steelers, Antoine Randall L. Certified potential of Rob Gronkowski, numbered to $9.99. And actually, that last one, Golden Tate, was numbered to $9.99 as well. Dallas Clark, Tom Brady, and Calvin Johnson. And we've got 5 packs left, including this one. Troy Polamalu, Chris Johnson, there's a hit. Benjamin Watson, Steve Breston, Kyle Orton, and here's a hit. It's a low number, numbered to 25. Let's see what we got here. Wow, another great Bears. Whoa, my goodness. Dick Butkus, autographed jersey, numbered to 25. Great card there for the Bears. Wow, really nice. I don't know if you see that. It's a sticker auto jersey with his number. Numbered 14 out of 25. Beautiful card there. You never know what you're going to get in these. As far as old, new. Zach Miller, John Carlson, there's a hit there. Devon Bess again, Fred Jackson, Kevin Walter, and let's see what the hit is. Wow, very nice. Armani Edwards for the Panthers, jersey auto, black and white jerseys, and that is numbered to $6.99. That's an example of a rookie and an all-time great Hall of Famer, back-to-back. So, there you go. That's why I love these. I'll keep buying these, too. This is, so far, I like both these boxes. Coming out great. Michael Crabtree, Donovan McNabb, insert card, Lawrence Maroney, Donald Driver, and a Brandon Marshall. And we're down to 2 packs left, including this one. Haven't been keeping track of the hits, so I'm not really sure what we got left. Sean Green, Derek Morgan, New Generation, numbered to $9.99 for the Titans. Matt Castle, Chad Ochocinco, and Jeremy Shockey. And down to our last pack here. Let's see what we got. Looks like possibly an insert there. I think we might have used up all our hits so far. James Laurinaitis for the Rams. Uh-oh. I guess not. Steve Smith for the Panthers. Peyton Manning. Eli Manning. Back-to-back brothers. Insert. And we got another hit here. Let's see. Numbered to 250. New generation. Jason Worlds for the Steelers. Mirror card. New generation. Very nice. Very, very good. I think we did great with these two boxes. Numbered to 250. I'm just going to go a recap of some of the big hits we had out of these two boxes. For the Steelers, the Jason Worlds, numbered to 250 autograph, mirror New Generations card. Derek Morgan, New Generations, numbered to 999. The Armonte Edwards autograph jersey, numbered to 699. Of course, the Dick Butkus autograph jersey, numbered to 25. Beautiful card. Rob Gronkowski certified potential, $9.99. Golden Tate certified potential, numbered to $9.99. Wayne Corbett fabric of the game for the Jets jersey, numbered out of 10, 6 out of 10. Very nice, very nice. Ricky Jackson, linebacker for the Saints, Immortals card, jersey, numbered to 250. Dan Lefevre, New Generation, numbered to 999. And of course, the Walter Payton, fabric of the game, numbered to 250. Beautiful. And the big jerseys here. Freshman fabric, Jordan Shipley. That is numbered to 50. And the twin, Marty Gilliard here, the big jersey. Mirrored card, numbered to 50 as well, 35 out of 50. Chad Ochocinco, mirrored card, numbered to 250. Certified potential autograph of Golden Tate. That's numbered out of 37 out of 50 on sticker auto. Andre Roberts, certified potential, numbered out of 100. Gold Team Larry Fitzgerald, numbered out of 999, and a Nate Allen, number 999, New Generation. And that'll do it. I'll go ahead and get this posted up and get these cards sent out as soon as possible. Please take a look at my other breaks I have going on right now. Would love to have any of you rejoin, and hopefully we'll have some good luck as well. I think this is a wonderful break. It went really well, and I want to thank all y'all for joining and being patient there. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.